student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 3. The unit name is VR1. In this unit, we are going to see the lesson, The Cracked Coffee Cup. Let us see the character of Kani in this lesson. Come, let us move to the video session.
Standard 5th English Unit 2 VR1. In this lesson, let us see the unity among the people. In this unit, we are going to see the lesson The Cracked Coffee Cup. In this story, we are going to see many characters. Let us see. First one is Kani. Second, Selvi. Third one about Muttu. Fourth one is about Rani and his son Anbu. Fifth one, Amar. And the last one is about Mary. Kani is a girl who is waiting for a parent to return from work. Both the parents were working, so she is eagerly waiting for a parent to return home. To tell about the days which she spent in a school. Suddenly, Teddy, the dog, ran to the gate with its favorite pillow. That means somebody was entering into the gate. The Teddy heard the sound of the gate and he is running behind the gate. Meanwhile, the Kani is also running behind the Teddy. Let me see who is entering into the gate. Kani and Teddy both were running. If you see in the gate, that is Kani's parents were entering into the gate. Meanwhile, Teddy was so happy to see them. If you see some relations or your parent, you will be very happy. The same like Teddy also felt so happy to see them. He took the pillow as a sign of welcoming them. For example, if you've gone for a marriage or somewhere, they will be giving some welcoming address. The same like Teddy is also giving a sign of welcoming them with the pillow. Teddy could not stop wagging his tail and followed him until they pet him. Teddy did not wag its tail. That means he not stop to wag its tail. If you see some favorite person, the dog will wag its tail. The same like the Teddy is doing by seeing the Kani parent. Kani was waiting for a moment to start about the school days to the parent. Now she is talking about the school days to the parent. It was a Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Kani was painting. Meanwhile, the Teddy is running again to the gate. This time, the Kani is also running behind the Teddy. Kani is asking to Teddy, who's there on the gate? Already the parents came to our home. Now, this time, if you see, in the gate it was a Selvi. Do you know who is Selvi? Selvi is a house helper. She do all the works in a home. That means she will clean the vessels. She will do all the works in a home of Kani house. Teddy ran to the Selvi and he did not stop wagging his tail because the Selvi has to pet him. Because of that, he is wagging the tail. Kani walked into the kitchen where Selvi cleaning all the vessels. She was standing and seeing at the sink. Near the kitchen sink, Kani saw an old cracked coffee cup. You all know coffee cup. If it is as a slight crack means we will keep separately. The same like she saw a old coffee cup near the sink. Selvi, after finishing all the work, she drank the coffee and she went home. With the same old coffee cup, she drank the coffee and she went home. At around 12 p.m., while Kani and Teddy were in the garden, they both were playing. They heard some whistling sound. Do you know who will have a whistle? The conductor will have a whistle as well as nowadays the garbage man also whistle. Because of that only the person who's having the waste things in a house, they will go and give it to the garbage man. So the Teddy as well as Connie hear the whistling sound. This time the Teddy is also running to the gate with a favorite pillow. If you saw in the gate, this time it was a garbage man who is Muthu. The name of a garbage man is Muthu. Do you know what the garbage man will do? They will collect all the waste things from every house. The Teddy again ran to the Muthu place and wagged his tail to pet him because Muthu also has to pet the Teddy. Kani ran to the kitchen and picked the garbage bag. He brings the garbage bag from the kitchen and he gives to the Muthu. That means who is garbage man. Kani is eating sweets as well as the snacks that time. The garbage man was seeing all those things. The Kani mom asked that go and ask to the Muthu whether he wants a rice which has been left over. Left over means the thing which we will have in the past days. The previous days it will be the rice will be more, so we will be keeping something for the garbage man to give. So they gave the food, that means rice, to the Muthu which has been left over. So Kani gave all the foods to garbage man and he came back to the home. After Muthu went, some hours ago, Kani's father prepared a favorite food for Kani. That is, you all know, biryani. The same thing they have prepared for Kani to have it for a lunch. Meanwhile, they got a call that Kani's relation, that means the relation is coming to the home from America. That is Rani auntie and a son who is 2 years old, whose name is Anbu. They were coming from America that Kani's mother is informing to Kani. They were very excited to play with Anbu, who is 2 years old child. At the same time, they were becoming around 5 p.m. At the evening, they are coming at 5 p.m. So they were very much excited to play with Anbu as well as auntie who is coming from America, that is Rani auntie and her son Anbu. After an hour of nap means a little sleep. Kani parent started preparing a dinner for Rani auntie and her son Anbu. Kani moms took a new dinner plates. If relations came means what we will do? We will take all the new items from the home and we will serve them. The same like they also taking a new dinner plates, cups, spoon, all the things from the cupboard and keeps on a dining table. Everything gets ready. Meanwhile, Kani mom said that Kani took a teddy for a walk. If you have a dog in your home, you will take it for a walk. The same like they also taking for a walk. While crossing the provision store at the end of the street, in the same street there will be having a provision store. Teddy suddenly started running again. Kani said, "Don't run." He's telling that don't run to the store because the leash will be very tight. Leash means the belt which the dog is having in his neck. That is called leash. Teddy was running towards the provision store. In the provision store, there is a owner. The owner name is Amar. By seeing Amar, the Teddy is running towards Amar. Because we already know Teddy will always run towards a new person to pet them. Pet them means we have to keep everybody as a favorite person. The same like the Teddy is doing. So he is running towards the provision store. The Kani is holding the leash very tightly. Leash means you already said that is a belt which is there in the dog's neck. There was a dog lying outside the shop. Meanwhile, there was a dog who was lying outside the shop. So, Kani remembered how some people could throw stone at this dog. While Kani was thinking about the dog who threw the stones of other dog, the Teddy started playing with that dog who was lying on the shop. So they both become very closer and they were become friends to pet each other. After a few minutes, Teddy and Kani started walking into the next street. Next street means we already know the next street. For example, if you are living in one street means the second street is called a next street. Again, the Teddy was running towards some person. This time it was Mary. She is a lady who is differently abled person who sells candles outside the church gate. Teddy ran to her and could not stop wagging his tail because Mary want to pet Teddy. So if we saw somebody, we have to make them favorite. So Teddy continues to wag his tail. They continued walking. Teddy and Kani finally reached home. The guests were ready to welcome them. Kani's family had a great time with Rani auntie as well as a son who is Anbu. After a long time, they all went for a sleep. Yes, after everything gets over, they all went for a sleep. When Kani was sleeping, she suddenly got a flashes of a broken coffee cup. She has seen already the broken coffee cup which is there in the kitchen sink. She got a flashes of coffee cup as well as the food which has been left over in the kitchen which she gave to the garbage man Muthu. And the stone hit it in her head that the other person who hits the stone on the dog. So Kani woke up very disturbed. She woke up suddenly and she was very much disturbed. She looks around everywhere. She drank some water. Again, she went back to the sleep. Again, she went for the sleep. Again, Kani saw a flashes of Teddy who's playing with Mary, that is differently abled person, Muthu, a garbage man, and Anbu, a 2 years old child. Kani wake up again, but this time she filled with tears in her eyes. Tear means we know the water which flows from our eyes. That is called tears. She realized how Teddy was compassionate and how he loved everyone equally. So, the same like she decided to treat everyone as equal, love as well as with respect. She hugged Teddy and kissed him. These all things were happen in a dream. Teddy wagged his tail and both went back to their sleep. Kani narrated that means she said all the dream to their parent. They not even say a single word. They all remained very quiet. In that day, around 9 a.m., Teddy ran to the gate with his pillow. It was Selvi again. Selvi started doing her household things. That meant she cleaned all the vessels, she do all the mopping the floor, sweeping the floor, the same like she did all the work. She saw Selvi is doing all the work. Kani walked into the kitchen to see a new coffee cup. She have already seen a cracked coffee cup which is there in the kitchen. Now she is remembering that old coffee cup. Now in that place there was a new coffee cup was there. Kani smiled and walked back to the room to the new that means with a new hope, she went back to the room. I hope you all understood about the story about Scunny character that is a cracked coffee cup. Thank you, students.